Hey guys, this is Meher Approved from Hyderabad, and I have just purchased a MSI GP75 from Vishal Peripherals here in CTC Park Lane. I have known about Vishal Peripherals for quite a few years now, growing up in the city. They have quite a good reputation for fastest and the best service, and honest service. I recommend them for any upgrades or any new laptops if you live in Hyderabad or Bangalore or any other area, any other metropolitan areas. They do deliver it to those cities as well. And by this buying experience for MSI GP75 for me has been quite smooth and good. And once again, I do recommend them for any other future purchases of yours regarding electronic items to laptops and spares.